Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Taskbar settings with the keyboard. Press Win, type Taskbar settings, then enter. Once the settings window appears, press Tab to move focus into the list and use arrow keys to highlight taskbar behaviors. Make sure to confirm that your account has permission to change appearance. This initial focus step gives you keyboard control over subsequent options. Without it, you can't reach the taskbar alignment controls using keys alone. So secure focus now and prepare to change alignment. Once inside taskbar behaviors, press Enter to expand that section. You'll use Tab and Shift plus Tab to navigate until the taskbar alignment dropdown is focused. Press Space or Enter to open it. Now use the arrow keys to select left or center, then press Enter to apply. If your version shows taskbar location on screen instead, use the same keyboard pattern. Open, arrow to choose left, right, top, or bottom, then Enter. This is the detailed execution to reposition the bar without touching the mouse. Finish by pressing ESC or Alt plus F4 to close settings and immediately inspect the taskbar position. If the bar didn't move, sign out and sign back in, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, and restart. That forces UI updates. If an app prevents changes, close it with Alt plus F4 before retrying. These final steps ensure changes persist and give one clear troubleshooting tip. Restarting Explorer fixes most keyboard-applied layout updates when they don't appear immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.